Hi, in this video we will see how we can flatten a tuple of list to tuple. So we will have at first we will have lists into a tuple, and then we'll convert or add up all those lists and convert that all into one single tuple. So let's see how we can do that. So before getting into it, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on our videos. Now we will discuss two methods, but at first let's look into our method 1. So our method 1 will be using sum plus tuple. So we'll use these both functions. So the combination of above these functions can be used to solve this problem. So we can perform task of flattening using sum by passing an empty list as its argument. Now let's have our tuple inside which we have lists. So let's have a tuple named as tuple 1. So we will have it in round brackets as tuples are in round brackets. Then let's have some lists into it. So we have 5. Then into it we have another list. Then we have another list with only single value into it. So we'll give 9. So this is our tuple, which in which we have some lists. So we'll combine all this into one single tuple. But first of all, let's print this. So the original or the o, the original tuple of list is. So let's print tuple one. So let's print tuple one. Now let's use the tuple function. So this we have a tuple function inside which we can use the sum function. Then we will have our tuple one and comma empty list. We have to print this, so we will print the flattened tuple is the flattened tuple will p comma res. So as you can see, our each and every list is into converted into one tuple as because of this function or this line of code. Now what this line of code will do is, so this sum will have this tuple 1, and in this tuple 1 we will have all these three lists converted or summed up into this empty list. So this empty list will have all this into one list, and when we convert this list into tuple, so we will have this res as a tuple. But if what if we don't write this tuple? If we don't write this tuple, then we will have the sum of tuple 1 and we will have a list, not a tuple. So it's the first method. Now the second method, we will see what we have in second method. In the second method, we will use tuple function and chain dot from iterable function. So for that we have to for importing or for using this chain function, we have to import it from iter tools. So from iter tools import, so we'll import chain. We have imported chain, and let's use this tuple control, or let's have this both lines. This both lines copy. We will have this. Then just write in res1 equals. Then we will have tuple. Then we will chain dot from iterable. Then we will pass in our tuple. So tuple 1, let's say tuple 2, tuple 2. Hmm. Now let's print it. So we'll print the flattened tuple is res1. So we'll copy this into our print function res1. So what this will do is, so chain dot from iterable, what this will do, it will just chain all the lists into one list, and then this tuple will convert that list into tuple. So that's all it will do. Now we will have the same output as of above. Now I hope you like this video, and if so, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, put down in the comment section below and I'll get back to your doubts. Thank you.